What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showcasing this pop tube. These are the mini pop tubes. So, yeah, let's try. What? Let's try that again. That was so satisfying. Bruh. This is so satisfying. Oh, and yesterday I also got a full pack. So I want to be showcasing you my new crab dimple, this tie-dyed mini poppet, this Rainbow Among Us poppet, this foam ball, this textured marble and mesh, this monkey noodle, and I have more later, but I'll be showing you that in my next video. Oh, and I have a koala mochi. Look how adorable that is. Look at that. They're super squishy and stretchy. And I also got these mini fidget spinners. Bye, guys.